Arrive in style with this 2012 Porsche Cayenne S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: adjustable steering wheel, power mirror, front side airbag, gas electric hybrid, leather seats, driver illuminated vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, and passenger airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.